Okay, now that you've opened your book, underneath the little home table of contents, if you click on that, it'll open up. Our first assigned reading was Chapter 1 and Chapter 2. So you can scroll down, go to the chapter that you want, Chapter 1. What is academic writing? Now what I like to do here at the bottom, the zooming options, I'm going to zoom out. So this way we get a better idea. Also along the bottom, they have a little pen-like. That is a highlighting feature. Click on there. You can also change the colors up. Green, I think, is a public shareware, whereas yellow and pink are for you. Personal use. I'm going to leave pink on, just for now. So, I have already done this one. If you want to go to, say, at the same time, academic writing is what you have to learn. So I'm going to say, well, that's important. So I'm just going to left click my mouse and cover it up and undo, and there we go. It's already highlighted. Now up here, they give you on the left toolbar a notebook feature. So anything that I've highlighted is now kept in my little notebook. There are two things that you can do. One, you could just ignore it and not pay attention to it ever again. Or two, actually go through your notes when it's time to write your paper. This way you don't have to go back and keep rereading. This is part of annotation. Whenever we read, we're going to read actively. Reading actively is writing on your text. It is asking questions while you're reading. It's not just simply highlighting and walking away. The purpose of highlighting is you're pulling out sections of the text that you want to remember, that you want to have some sort of dialogue with. Another feature that they offer here at the bottom, you'll see these two little quotation marks. That's for citation. So when it comes time to cite from the book that we're reading, the little essay, you can just use MLA format because that's what we want, but they do offer the APA, the Harvard, Vancouver. In our class, we do MLA style. And it tells you exactly the information you're going to need to cite correctly for your paper. You can copy and paste it.